The winds of trade war are blowing again. Former President Donald Trump has hinted at reinstating or increasing tariffs if he returns to the White House. Canada, America's largest trading partner, could face serious economic consequences. But how bad could it get? Let's break down the facts. What did Trump say? Donald Trump has been vocal about his America First trade policies. He previously imposed tariffs on steel and aluminum from Canada in 2018, triggering a trade dispute that lasted over a year. Now he's proposing a universal tariff of 10% on all imports, with potential higher rates on specific industries. Canada, heavily reliant on U.S. trade, is in the crosshairs once again. Canada's economic dependence on the U.S. Canada exports over 75% of its goods to the United States, making it the most U.S.-dependent major economy in the world. In 2023 alone, Canada's exports to the U.S. were valued at over $400 billion. If tariffs hit key industries, the ripple effect could be massive. The key industries at risk: automotive industry. Canada's auto sector contributes over $80 billion annually to the economy. Higher tariffs could raise costs for Canadian manufacturers, reduce exports, and increase car prices for American buyers. Steel and aluminum. When Trump imposed 25% tariffs on steel and 10% on aluminum in 2018, Canada retaliated with counter-tariffs, costing industries billions. If these tariffs return, thousands of jobs could be at stake. Energy sector. Canada is the largest supplier of crude oil to the U.S., exporting over 3.7 million barrels per day. Tariffs on Canadian energy could increase fuel costs for Americans, but also hurt Canada's oil-dependent provinces like Alberta. Agriculture and lumber. Canadian dairy, beef, and softwood lumber have long been targets of U.S. tariffs. If Trump moves forward with tougher trade policies, Canadian farmers and lumber companies could see massive losses. How Canada might fight back. When Trump imposed tariffs in 2018, Canada responded with $16.6 billion in counter-tariffs on U.S. goods, hitting products like whiskey, ketchup, and motorcycles. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau might take similar action, but the challenge remains. Canada has less economic leverage against the U.S. The bigger picture: could this backfire on the U.S.? While Trump argues tariffs protect American jobs, many economists warn they often backfire. U.S. industries that rely on Canadian imports, like car manufacturers and construction, could see higher costs, job losses, and inflation. The last round of tariffs led to job cuts in U.S. manufacturing. Could history repeat itself? The global trade fallout. If Trump escalates tariffs, Canada might strengthen trade ties with Europe and Asia. Reducing reliance on the U.S. Canada has already expanded trade with the UK, the EU, and China. A prolonged tariff war could push Ottawa to seek new economic alliances. What's next? With the 2024 election approaching, Canada watches closely. If Trump returns and enacts his tariff policies, expect a new wave of trade tensions, job uncertainty, and economic shifts. Will Canada survive another Trump tariff storm? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.